Prince family is headed to Universal Studios Florida and Universal Studios of Adventure. And after the entire 3 days vacation, we're gonna tell you the top 9 things that we absolutely loved about our trip that do not have to do anything with the ride. Some of the things that we found that were just in Universal Studios and Universal Islands of Adventure that blew our minds, and it had nothing to do with any of the rides. So we're gonna start up at number 9 and then we'll work our way to number 1.
Number 9, the animal show was amazing because I got called down. A bird came out of a window and came and landed on my head.
Number 8, the refillable cup. It had this little, like, there's this cup and you could buy it there, and then it had this little chip in it, so every 10 minutes you could come back to like the machine. They had them all over the park, so you could refill your things with like a bunch of different kinds of soda.
Number 7, Camp Jurassic was awesome because there was a big playground and it had tons of nets, and like you could climb on them, and some were really steep.
Number 6, those interactive wands at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Seriously, like watching your kids do those spells was one of the biggest highlights. And then watching feathers float and then seeing their expression. As a parent, that memory is going to be sealed in my brain forever.
Number 5, we decided to try the Wizarding World of Harry Potter's multi-flavored jelly beans. They were kind of interesting. I kept getting like vomit and dirt, but then I got a watermelon one and that one was good.
Number 4, there was this dragon in Diagon Alley. It was like fire, but fires it, and you can feel it. It's real fire. It's intense heat.
Number 3, the Butterbeer. It's pretty good stuff. It's really sweet. A little bit goes a long way. I think it's kind of a blend between cream soda and butterscotch. Get the frozen stuff. Frozen stuff's the best.
Number 2 was the Moaning Myrtle bathrooms. You've got to go listen to Moaning Myrtle when you use the bathroom. I know that's kind of weird, but it's really kind of cool-ish.
Number 1 is the fountain. We were coming out of the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and we stumbled upon this fountain. We were standing there trying to figure out what we were going to do next, and we hear this voice saying how much he liked one of my little brother's shirts. We were confused at who said that, so we turned around and we had this like full-on conversation with the fountain. It was hilarious. He was making us pee our pants. We were laughing so hard. He was sitting there trying to escort us, talking to us about Harry Potter and our wands. It was just so much fun to talk with him. He was like, we thought it was going to be like a pre-recording, but it was actually this fountain that could see us and was talking with us, and it was so cool.
We loved our trip to Universal Studios Florida.